Look what we have for you. The perfect Christmas present.
Oh, this is lovely. You'll love this.
This is sheer luxury. And I'm going to open it for you. Lovely, beautiful silk pillowcase by Blissy. Don't you love the packaging?
The packaging's great. It kind of works for me. I love packaging. And I love that pillowcase too.
100% mulberry silk. And I'm not going to put it against my face because I do not want to ruin this.
Sheer luxury. Isn't the feel of that lovely? Oh, it's so nice.
Beautiful.
And look what they've got here, embroidered into it. Blissy.
There we go.
And that is 22 mom silk, which is actually quite good for a pillowcase because the average is about 19.
Yes.
And that's 22. So it's a nice, luxurious one.
Silk pillowcases, why do we encourage using these? Okay, I'm going to start with the hair because I'm so excited. Basically, this is so kind to the hair. It's anti-aging, anti-breakage, anti-dehydrating. It does everything. You have to have one. It leaves your hair feeling lovely and soft and silky. It does not take the hydration away from your hair like the cotton pillowcases do, because that does literally extract the water from your hair through the night. So yeah, very kind to the hair.
Yeah, and to the skin.
And to the scalp,
Yeah.
sorry.
And to the scalp and the skin on your face. So again, as Shilpa was saying, it does the same for the face. So it does not leach moisture from your face. Also, it's so cooling. It regulates the temperature, doesn't it? You can't get too hot, too cold. It's absolutely lovely. Silk contains 18 amino acids, which help to counter the effects of aging on the skin. It's really beautiful. So whereas with the cotton, it leaches the moisture, doesn't it? This doesn't. It's beautiful.
Silk products can be certified to be free of harmful chemicals, toxins and irritants.
Yeah.
This is also fabulous for people with dry scalps or flaky scalps or any sort of scalp conditions, scalp irritations, because firstly, the temperature is regulated because the silk is such high quality. And also there's no friction to the scalp or the hair. So it will help.
Right, so that would cut down on the irritation.
Yeah.
Now that's interesting because that's the same as if you had very, very sensitive skin, like with the rosacea present, or if you had acne actually. This again does not cause friction. So a lot of acne sufferers use silk pillowcases, and anyone with sensitive skin, because silk is actually antibacterial as well as antifungal. So what is not to love about this? Covers everything. So you know that you're getting fantastic quality with this because it's actually certified by the OECO Tech Standard 100, and they are the worldwide governing regulatory body over silk. Plus it's got the highest grade because it's 6A, and that 6A is the highest grade of silk you can get. It goes down from 5432 onto normal A. So you know this is top quality.
Well, I always think if you're going to invest in something like this, I think go for the best because it will help your hair, it will help your skin, and it feels beautiful.
And these last for ages if you look after them, but we'll get to how to look after your silk pillowcase shortly. But right now we're going to talk about when buying a silk pillowcase, what to look for.
So silk weight is actually measured in units known as the mom. The higher the mom weight, the heavier and denser the silk weave will be.
Yeah, because during the process of production, the silk factory will adjust the density and the yarn count a little bit like they do with the thread count. For example, the weft of the silk fibres are woven closer together than they would be for a 22 mom chamoose pillowcase. So you get this beautiful, luxurious finish. It's just, well, satin silk. It's beautiful.
Always look for silk pillowcases that are tested and certified by an independent agency or an organisation to be free from harmful chemicals.
Yeah, and that's where our OECO Tex 100 comes in, because they are the global standard. So if you see that, you know that that is your assurance of quality.
So mulberry silk fibres are coated with a protein that makes them antibacterial, antifungal and resistant to dust mites and mould.
Wow, so that must be really good then for allergy sufferers.
Yeah.
Fantastic. You know, this is just a beautiful product. So hold that out and let everyone see. That is the standard size pillowcase.
Yeah.
And that's the housewife version, isn't it? Yeah.
Yes.
I personally prefer Oxford. Do you like Oxford or housewife?
I have housewife.
Yeah. So all mine are all Oxford. I just prefer the design. So let's talk about this. Let's show them this clever little thing here.
Look at this. Beautiful little zip.
A hidden little zip.
The colour ivory is the only one that is undyed. All the others are dyed, including white.
So again, if you have very, very sensitive skin, you're trying to cut down and everything, maybe go for the ivory. Ivory goes with most things anyway, doesn't it? Yeah. So how to care for your beautiful silk pillowcase. The first thing I'd invest in is a mesh laundry bag.
Yes.
Imperative, I think. And a very, very good quality detergent specifically made for silks and delicate fabrics. What you don't want is a biological product or one with optical brighteners in them.
So you can hang to dry out of direct sunlight. Don't tumble dry, and a light iron or a simple smoothing by the hand should be all that you need.
Now, do you know what I do with mine? When I wash it, I take it out the washing machine and I literally shake it. I shake it like crazy. I never iron it because I don't want my silk pillowcase ruined. And to be honest, it's perfect. I think silk pillowcases are a fantastic investment. Now, personally, my silk pillowcase, I've had it for years, Shilpa.
I was just going to ask you how many years have you
I've
had
literally had it for years because it does actually help with, in the morning, you don't wake up with the deep lines and wrinkles like you do with cotton or linens. But mine has been going for years. I do look after it with my washing and my laundering. And gosh, I think I've had that now for about 8 years and it's still perfect. So there we go. Wonderful Christmas present.
I just
Beautifully
love it.
packaged.
Beautiful.
And whoever you give this to as a Christmas present, they'll be delighted. But we think you should give yourself one, a little treat, because it is so, so beautiful.
Please remember to share us with your friends and family and
subscribe and ring that bell and have a wonderful Christmas.